Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Jamaica Gleaner gets creative for the big 185. To commemorate the 185th anniversary of the Jamaica Gleaner and as part of its contribution to the repositioning of downtown Kingston as an art district, members of the Gleaner Company and Kingston Creative today painted a mural on this section of the Gleaner's North Street building. Curator of the Gleaner art mural, Lisa Stiebel, shared details on Kingston Creative's role in the celebration.
I was delighted because it's such a momentous occasion. And I think what Kingston Creative is doing is a fantastic way of telling a story on a wall for passersby to see.
Nikki Byron from Island Art and Framing shared details on the inspiration for the mural.
In the mural, you're going to see a lot to do with the Gleaner. You have the Gleaner lady, the photographer, track stars, you're going to see a DJ. And then I kind of put my artistic interpretation and brought it all together and got great artists to help me, and we're creating today, and it so far looks fantastic, I think, so I'm happy.
Yeah, my name is Michael Robbins, a well-known artist from Denham Town community. It's a good thing still, so I deal it.
The mural will have an augmented reality aspect.
It's an app called Artivive, and it's to give movement to the actual mural, so where you'll see the track star in movement, he'll be running through the red ribbon, and then eventually we're going higher up the building with two fists. You'll see them boom fisting each other as a big up.
Kingston Creative Community Pod co-lead Natalie Johnson shared why Kingston Creative chose to collaborate with the Gleaner.
Kingston Creative partnered with Gleaner because Gleaner has our historical and cultural history at heart.
Gleaner's sponsorship and corporate affairs manager Terrian Wilson gave details on upcoming activities to further celebrate the Jamaica Gleaner's 185th anniversary.
In addition to the painting of the mural, we also have tomorrow, we're going to be in Mandeville tomorrow. That's where the party is going to be. For all of September, we're going to be partying. And next week, Friday, we move to downtown Kingston, where we'll be having the big party on our birthday. It will be the best Friday the 13th ever, because September the 30th is the Gleaner's birthday and we are excited. We have a function in Montego Bay as well, and an advertising expo as well, to share in the celebrations and to say thank you. All of this is to say thank you to all of Jamaica.
To commemorate 185 years of service to Jamaica and the diaspora, the Gleaner will host a church service this Sunday at the St. George's Anglican Church. The event will be live on Jamaica News Network, JNN. Munga Honorable gets fiery. Dancehall artist Munga Honorable today released his new EP dubbed Fiery. The 6-track compilation features songs like Hardworking, Survive and Amazing among others, and is currently available on all digital platforms. Munga balances his busy musical career with his philanthropic efforts, as he recently hosted his back-to-school treat at Hillside Primary in St. Mary. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.